set up. Okay, here we go. Whoops. Woo! Good job. You got 2 ball pins. Okay. All right, scoot back a little bit. Whoops. Uh-oh.
Do you need help?
I got it.
You got it?
Oh.
Oh, there it is. Taylor's got a little bowling ball too.
Okay, come scoot right over here. Okay, right there.
Right there.
Right there.